wondering about the impact of GST changes on e-commerce operators? Did you know that from 1st January 2022, Aadhaar authentication is mandatory for GST refund? So, what other changes are made in GST law? By the end of this video, you will know the major changes in GST law effective from January 2022. Hi everyone, I'm Ayeshri from Clear. It is India's largest tax and financial services platform. Clear serves more than 4 lakh growing businesses. Subscribe to our channel to know more about business taxation and GST updates. E-commerce companies and e-commerce operators are liable to pay GST on services provided by them such as passenger transport services and restaurant services from 1st January 2022. For the e-commerce companies that provide transport services like Ola and Uber, the tax rate on passenger transport services will be 5%. However, it will exclude manual passenger transport services by auto rickshaw drivers. The food delivery apps such as Zomato and Swiggy will have to collect and deposit GST with the CBIC on services provided by them and also issue invoices related to such restaurant services. The food delivery apps will have to collect and deposit 5% GST with the government in place of restaurant for deliveries made by them. The good news is that this will not impact the customers. So as a customer, you can go ahead and order food or order a cab without worrying about having to pay extra GST. A GST hike was announced from 1st January 2022 on footwear, textiles and garments from 5% to 12% to correct the inverted duty structure in these sectors. Previously, a 5% GST was applicable on all garments and footwear up to ₹1,000. Now, a GST of 12%, that is an increase of 7% GST, will be levied on apparel and textiles including synthetic yarn, fabrics and other man-made items with the exception of cotton. Also, the new GST on footwear of any value will be 12%. Thus, there will be a rise in the prices of footwear and apparel, causing worry to the textile and footwear manufacturers as they believe that rising GST on these products will increase prices and trigger inflation. From 1st January 2022, Aadhaar card authentication of taxpayers will be compulsory for the purpose of filing application for revocation or cancellation of registration in Form GST Reg 21 under Rule 23 of CGST Rules 2017, filing refund application in Form RFD 01 under Rule 89 of CGST Rules 2017, refund of the IGST paid on goods exported out of India under Rule 96 of CGST Rules 2017. Thus, Aadhaar authentication and GSTIN, that is Goods and Services Tax Identification Number, is necessary for claiming all types of refunds irrespective of the claim amount. Are the changes in GST making sense? If it is, write clear in the comments below. Do let us know what topics you would like us to cover in our future videos. The amendment to Section 75(12) of the CGST Act provides that where any amount of self-assessed tax as per a return furnished under Section 39 remains unpaid or any amount of interest payable on such tax remains unpaid, it will be recovered under the provisions of Section 79. Earlier, the self-assessed tax was determined based on liabilities declared in Section 39. However, with this amendment, any tax reflected in GSTR 1 but not shown in GSTR 3B shall be considered as self-assessed tax and shall be liable to be recovered straight away under Section 79 without any show cause notice under Section 74 or 75. The amendment to CGST Act seeks to empower the Commissioner to provisionally attach any property including the bank account of a taxable person or any other person who is the beneficiary of the transaction after initiation of the proceedings under Chapter 12, 14 or Chapter 15. The Commissioner has the power to attach the property of the taxpayer after making an order in writing and if he or she is of the opinion that it is required to do so for protecting the interests of the government revenue. Section 116 of the Finance Act 2021 seeks to amend Section 107(6) of the CGST Act. The amendment provides that an appeal cannot be filed against an order under Section 129(3) of the CGST Act unless the appellant has paid a sum equal to 25% of the penalty. The pre-deposit before this amendment was only to the extent of 10% of tax liability in case of a dispute. Now it is enhanced to 25% of the penalty amount in the case of detention, seizure of goods and conveyance during transit. These are some major changes made in the GST law that will be effective from 1st January 2022. If you want to go through all the GST changes made to Budget 2022, including changes in ITC provisions and GST returns filing provisions, please click on the link provided in the description box below. And if you'd like to file error-free GST returns and claim 100% tax credit, try Clear GST. Click on the link provided in the description box below to request the demo. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.